Okay, well, let's see. Hopefully you can see this. So what we've got here is my old FICM Power module, and this is, I suspect, bad. So, but I finally came up with a way to test it. So what I'm going to do here is right now I've got it set up so this is wired for it to be powered up as if it was on the vehicle. So if I power this up, we see here, and I'll bring the voltage up. So the voltage is 13.8, and we can see that the FICM power module there is running 48 volts like it should. And so you can see here, I'm just showing the same voltage that you see here, but it's just kind of graphing it out. So I've got these resistors set up as if they were injectors. So if I briefly touch them together and we watch the power, we'll see that it still stays right up in the 48 volt range, and you can see that up here. So we'll let this come back. All right. So we can see that it, well, it does have some ripple in there. It seems okay, and we can see right in here that it's mostly all right. But you might have noticed that this makes some sounds when it's going, and I don't know if that's normal or not. But if we bring the voltage down to say, hey, you've just started your vehicle, it's right around 10 volts. This FICM should be able to handle running at 48 volts, even if there's a little bit of low voltage while it's starting, as if you were starting the motor, something like that. The glow plugs are running and bringing down the voltage. So let's see what happens when we run it here. So you see how the voltage drops way down, and let's see what it looks like over here. Okay, turned off. So we see we're at 48, and if we run it, we'll get the dropping down to 40 volts. So that's really no good, and so this module is probably bad. And the only real signs that anything was really wrong is that it stumbles at idle. So that's kind of interesting. But anyway, hopefully that's you learned something.